Importance of nutrition post 40, that's your middle age. As we age, it is very important to be healthy, to maintain that healthy weight. And to do this, there are a lot of nutrients that has to draw your attention. To cure a disease, to prevent particular conditions, to be in a healthy state, we all need to include particular foods, have a particular lifestyle change, modifications to be better at our elderly. Be it a male or a male, post 45, we see a lot of patients coming with coronary heart diseases, cancers. Females especially have a musculoskeletal disorders, osteoporosis, breast cancers, and all of these things are linked to your early 30s or 20s. Yes, if you're careful at your early age, you can prevent this longer, but you can still take care of yourself. We all know females tend to accumulate a lot of fat post menopausal time. Almost 10% of their bone density is lost post menopause. Calcium depletes, vitamin D कम हो जाता है, and they face osteoarthritis, osteoporosis, right? And in fact, because of menopausal time, जब estrogen levels goes down, the cartilages goes thinner. Even because of the estrogen level going down, female tend to accumulate more fat in particular areas, and this leads to the obesity. Trust me, there is always a way out, and there are things that you can do to help yourself. First is your lifestyle modification, your dietary modification. You should be, all of you who's watching this, should be including all the 5 food groups to your daily meals. The pastries, the ice creams, the chips, yes, you all can enjoy that occasionally. We all know that, in fact, there are researches saying आपकी health आपके gut को belong करती है, आपके पेट से होती है, right? So the gut health is very important during elderly, and in fact people faces more of the gut issues during this period. Try including a good fiber-rich foods, say whole grains, cereals. You can have oats, rye, barley, sorghum. These kind of fibers will help you have a good bowel movement. Along with this, pair with a good number of fruits, vitamin C rich fruits that will help you have the antioxidants. The Indian spices have polyphenols. Even the green vegetables have folate. These will help you recover from your stress. And never forget, the body especially needs protein. We always miss out on proteins when we talk about other things. Never forget to include a good portion of protein-rich foods. It can be lentils, legumes, it can be eggs, it can be fish, it can be the non-vegetarian sources. This has to be one important part of your plate. Modifiable lifestyle factors that has an age-related factors, very good impact on a healthy living. Nutrition is one of them. Get in touch with a qualified nutrition expert to see the impact of these factors on your day-to-day life. Get your tailor-made customized diet plans, the workout plans, and see how you can rock your middle age. Thank you for watching today.